light. I raise my hands and pray what's right. My heart is heavy but full of grace. I seek His mercy, His warm embrace. Each breath I take a gift so dear. His signs around me ever near. Through trials deep and moments bright, He guides me with His sacred light. Allah, you are the truth I see, the one who always walks with me. No fear, no doubt, no darkest night can dim your love, pure as light. Ya Noor, my soul takes flight. Guide me through with light upon light. In the stories of the prophet's way, I find my strength every day. Patience, kindness, words so wise, tears of mercy in His eyes. When the world feels cold and blind, I remember you, peace I find. This dunya fades, but you remain, the cure for every kind of pain. Allah, you are the truth I see, the one who always walks with me. No fear, no doubt, no darkest night can dim your love, pure as light. Ya Noor, my soul takes flight. Guide me through with light upon light. Even when I fall so low, your mercy flows and helps me grow. A single tear whispered name, and I am never quite the same. Forgive my faults, renew my soul. Your love, your Rahman, makes me whole. No one but you can heal my scars. You are my moon, my sun, my stars. Allah, you are the truth I see, the one who always walks with me. No fear, no doubt, no darkest night can dim your love, pure as light. Ya Noor, my soul takes flight. Guide me through with light upon light. Forever yours, through day and night. My heart is yours, my only light.
Glory be to Allah, your majesty has no compare. All creation is humbled by your care. Your praise echoes through heavens and the earth. You are the Lord of all worlds, the source of every worth. O light of truth, you are the shade of mercy. Your remembrance brings heart serenity. You've shown the way away from every lie. In your name, the soul finds a place to rely. You're the ocean of mercy, the companion of the patient. You heal all pain, you gift each moment. None who turns to you is ever left alone. On them your blessings forever are so. Oh Allah, you are our master, so near. Your truth is eternal, while all else disappears.